The National Electrical Code does not permit supporting the weight of fixtures solely by the threaded studs of a Foxford junction box. The code requires that the weight of lighting fixtures be supported by the building structure or by a fixture support system. The recommended method for mounting high bay light emitting diode lights is to use a ceiling mounted fixture support system. These systems typically consist of a bracket that attaches to the ceiling and a connecting arm that supports the light fixture. The bracket and arm are designed to provide adequate support for the weight of the fixture and to ensure its stability. When selecting a ceiling-mounted fixture support system, firstly, make sure that the system is rated to support the weight of the high bay light emitting diode lights you plan to install. Secondly, in areas prone to earthquakes, additional measures may be necessary to ensure the stability of the lighting fixtures, so consult with a qualified structural engineer for guidance. Thirdly, consider the height of the lighting fixtures and the ease of access for maintenance purposes, ensuring that there is adequate clearance for ladders or lifts to reach the fixtures. While drilling holes in the plate and box and running a bolt through them may provide additional support, it is not a recommended solution because the NEC specifically prohibits supporting the weight of fixtures on threaded studs alone. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions and consult with a qualified electrician for safe and compliant installations. It is important to adhere to electrical codes and best practices to ensure the safe and reliable installation of high bay lighting systems. The NEC provides specific guidelines to prevent hazards and ensure structural integrity. Using appropriate support systems, considering load capacity, addressing seismic concerns, and planning for maintenance access are crucial aspects of a compliant installation. Consulting with qualified professionals ensures adherence to regulations and promotes safety. Threaded studs on a junction box are generally 8-32s. These are not designed to carry the full weight of high bay lighting fixtures. High bay fixtures are often heavy and require robust support. Relying solely on these small threaded studs can lead to failure, posing a significant safety risk. The weight of the fixture could cause the junction box to detach from the ceiling, or the studs themselves could break, leading to the fixture falling. This can result in property damage, injury, or even death. The National Electrical Code is a set of standards developed to ensure the safe installation of electrical wiring and equipment. It provides detailed requirements for supporting lighting fixtures. Following the NEC is not just a recommendation, it is a legal requirement in many jurisdictions. Ignoring the NEC can result in fines, project delays, and liability in the event of an accident. A ceiling-mounted fixture support system is designed to distribute the weight of the fixture over a larger area of the ceiling structure. This provides a more stable and secure mounting solution. These systems are typically made of steel or other strong materials and are designed to withstand the weight and vibrations of the fixture. They are also designed to be easily accessible for maintenance and repairs. When choosing a support system, it is essential to ensure that it is rated to support the weight of the fixture you plan to install. The manufacturer's specifications will provide this information. It is also important to consider the type of ceiling structure you are working with. Different ceiling types require different types of support systems. For example, a suspended ceiling will require a different type of support system than a concrete ceiling. In areas that are prone to earthquakes, additional measures must be taken to ensure the stability of lighting fixtures. This is because earthquakes can generate significant forces that can cause fixtures to sway, detach from their supports, and fall. Seismic bracing is a common method used to secure lighting fixtures in earthquake-prone areas. This involves using cables, struts, or other devices to tie the fixture to the building structure. The goal is to prevent the fixture from moving excessively during an earthquake and to keep it from falling. A qualified structural engineer can assess the seismic risk at your location and recommend appropriate bracing methods. They can also ensure that the bracing system is properly designed and installed to meet local building codes. Planning for maintenance access is another important consideration when installing high bay lighting fixtures. These fixtures are often installed in high ceilings, making it difficult to reach them for maintenance and repairs. It is important to ensure that there is adequate clearance for ladders, lifts, or other equipment to reach the fixtures. This will make it easier to replace bulbs, clean the fixtures, and perform other necessary maintenance tasks. It is also important to consider the location of the fixtures in relation to other equipment and structures. Ensure that the fixtures are not located in areas where they could be easily damaged or where they could obstruct access to other equipment. Drilling holes in the plate and box and running a bolt through them is not a recommended solution because it can weaken the junction box and create a potential safety hazard. The junction box is designed to protect electrical connections from damage and to prevent electrical shock. Drilling holes in the box can compromise its integrity and make it more susceptible to damage. Additionally, running a bolt through the box can create a path for electricity to escape, increasing the risk of electrical shock. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions when installing lighting fixtures and other electrical equipment. The manufacturer's instructions will provide detailed information on how to install the equipment safely and correctly. It is also important to consult with a qualified electrician before performing any electrical work. A qualified electrician has the knowledge and experience to ensure that the work is done safely and in accordance with local electrical codes. Improperly installed electrical equipment can create a serious safety hazard, so it is always best to err on the side of caution. In summary, do not support high bay lighting fixtures solely by the threaded studs of a forks for junction box. Use a ceiling-mounted fixture support system that is rated to support the weight of the fixture. In areas prone to earthquakes, take additional measures to ensure the stability of the fixtures. Plan for maintenance access and follow the manufacturer's instructions. Consult with a qualified electrician for safe and compliant installations. These steps will help to ensure the safe and reliable operation of your high bay lighting system.